How to fix Xbox not turning on. Firstly, check your power cable and outlet. Make sure that the power cord is firmly plugged in into both Xbox and the wall socket, or you can test another outlet to rule out power issues. You can also try to unplug the Xbox from power for 10 to 15 seconds. After that, plug it back in and try again. For Xbox One, also unplug the power brick if you have one. If the light on the power brick is off, flashing, or orange, the supply may be faulty. Replace it if needed. If your Xbox feels hot, it may have shut down. Wait at least 30 minutes before restarting. Make sure you are pressing the button on the console itself, not just the controller. Remove any external drives, USB devices, or HDMI cables and try powering on again. To eject button trick, hold on the eject button plus power button together for 10 seconds. This sometimes forces a reset. If nothing works, you may need Microsoft support or a repair, especially if it's a hardware fault. So that's all for today. Thank you.